It was the early autumn of 1927. 80 months had passed since Oshin and Luzo had opened their fish shop. Takeshi turned 6 years old and was to enter primary school in the spring of 1929. To Oshin, who had always been with Takeshi, this was an event which he anticipated with great joy.
Yeah.
And there was one other person she wanted to share her joy with.
Takeshi, put your lunch in here, all right? Now come straight home. Luzo, we still haven't invited your parents to Issei so far. So you won't think I'm selfish if I want to invite my mother.
Mm-hmm.
I would like her to come and watch Takeshi's entrance ceremony.
But she lives so far away.
We have to send her money for the train tickets. And I know that's difficult because we need the money. My dear, I feel bad to ask you because I know you need a bicycle for your work. But still, when Takeshi was born, she came to Tokyo. She helped me a lot with my first birth. She even gave Takeshi his first bath. Now, when I left Saga and stayed in Yamagata, she took care of Takeshi and did all she could for me. So I'm sure that she would like to come and see him again, now that he's grown up and is a primary school boy.
How old is your mother now?
58 or 59, I guess.
I see, so this may be a good time. Well, then let's ask her to come here.
Oh, thanks.
And how about we take her to Issei Shrine? We're now in the best season. All the cherry blossoms are in bloom.
Oh, yes, thank you. That would be nice.
She must be anxious to see Takeshi. And I wanted to see the boy as well.
Takeshi! You know what? We're going to have a guest. Your grandma's coming to visit us here. Really? Yeah.
Tora, soon you'll have to work in the field and let Mother do the work in the house.
What are you talking about? I have to take care of all the children in the house. I can't go into the field.
But Mother is getting old. She's become useless in the field. She can't do much at all. Huh? You can't expect me to do it all on my own. The field work is far more important than the housework.
You're saying you let that woman just loaf at home and we work doubly hard for her?
Tora.
You know, this is a difficult time for us. Where do we get the extra rice to feed a useless woman?